What is Coimbatore all about? It's a beautiful city. It's a wonderfully peaceful city. It comes with an amazing climatic condition. And for any person who's going to invest money into a city, the first question that he asks himself, which is very loud, not to the outside world, but to himself is it a peaceful place? Can I make my investment there? நான் அங்கே பணத்தை போட்டேன்னா அந்த பணம் வளருமா அல்லது அந்த பணத்துக்கு ரிஸ்க் இருக்கா? அவர் போடுற பணம் தொழிலில் போடலாம், ஒரு சொத்தில் போடலாம், எதில் வேணாலும் போடலாம். பட் அந்த பணத்துக்கு பாதுகாப்பு இருக்கா அல்லது அதனால பிரச்சனை இருக்கா? அப்போ the answer is going to be the people. If the people are peace-loving people, then the investments are going to be more. If the people are otherwise, the investments are going to dwindle. Why? Because of the risk involved in it. So people are amazing people. Because of this, it goes to the next, which means it's such a cosmopolitan atmosphere. You have everything in Coimbatore. And therefore we said, we chose Coimbatore as saying we will launch it here because people here appreciate quality. And that is undisputable. And it's a very big money capital. All of these reasons was the cause for White House. And then we said, we will keep following it up. And therefore, the White Villas at Ganapati. And therefore, the Crown Villas in Singanallur. Therefore, the Royal Villas. Therefore, the Imperial Villas. And therefore, many more to come in Coimbatore also. Because we develop projects in Coimbatore, in Chennai, Madurai, Mumbai. All over. And we focus purely on villas. It goes back, I keep saying this at every handing over event and at every launch. Why are we developing villas? We are the largest villa developers and exclusive villa developers. When we do villa development, land ownership is transferred to the client, not in the form of UDS. So this brings in a big impact. In villas, when you transfer the land, the growth is in the land and then in the building. These villas, the very thought was, which came from our architect, Mr. Sriram Ganapati, and his team of associates in Chennai. All IITians, ex-IITians. Amazing creativity. In every which way, we have flowed through. Create பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒவ்வொன்றையும் சிந்திச்சு இப்படித்தான் வரணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அதில் ப்ரோஸ் அண்ட் கான்ஸ் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு we have created it. To move to this concept which is widely discussed by everybody as a Vastu. 100% Vastu compliant villas. Not just this also. Whatever we create is that. Vastu is science. People believe it's a science of just directions. It's a science of directions also. So what exactly is Vastu? It's a question of light, air, directions. So everybody talks about what they feel is comfortable, but we have brought in all of this into this project. And we believe a villa is wonderful. It's for your family. But what's the lung space, the breathing space of any development? The park. This place. What we can do is, we can just have some, 4-5 plants, 4-5 trees and leave it. That's also a park. Because the government said, leave a park. But we believe the value gets built here. Appavum ponnu, கணவனும் மனைவியும், தாத்தாவும் பேத்தியும் இங்கே வந்து நடந்துட்டு இருக்கும்போது பேசிட்டு இருக்கும்போது, can you compensate that anywhere? Those little things, it comes at a cost, and the cost is what we have put in here in creating this space. Why should you go outside to a club to play your shuttle? It's a beautiful city. You've got this space in the middle of the city. And right there we said we will create the park which will be so beautiful that every person should not dream of owning, they should have owned it. Dream is aspirational. Nadakama nadakada theriyadu. Let's create it. So the meditation zone, the gazebo, the kids play area, the walking zone. All of this at any point of time. You should be able to safely send your kids out to play. You should be able to just sit here. The 30 feet road, undisturbed. It's such a beautiful road. Friends of ours keep coming and saying, so why did you give a 45, 50 feet road? It's not a 45, 50 feet road. It's a 30 feet road. But we have kept the 30 feet as 30 feet. We didn't mess with it. That's the beauty of it. We said, let's create it beautifully. Those paver blocks, we said, this is something that we have done because Suzanne designed it for White House. We got the same vendor to do it for us. And he said, this price nobody will pay. Are you sure you want it? We said, yes, we want it. And we've laid it here. The system that comes, the house you will be able to see, the park you will be able to see. And this creation out here was again a thought by Mrs. Geeta Nagu. We have this wall. We can just leave this wall. But we said, we will create something on it. And she said, we've got to create a tree of life, a tree of joy. 4 different colors talk about different energy levels of prosperity, peace, love, energy levels. All of this it talks of. Therefore, the 4 colors. And the tree of life is what you will always enjoy. And we said we're going to create this. It's not just anything. It's a painting which we did by bringing in artists. I'm just trying to express the thought that goes into the creation. Because we are creating a house which you are going to be converting into a home. And we want to be responsible enough to bring in our best. And we've roped in the best of the consultants. We have our consultant friends here, and they put in a lot of their efforts here to create this project. What you see is the villa. What you see is the park. What you don't see is the infrastructure. Again, I might sound repetitive, but I bring it everywhere. We have gotten here a high-end infrastructural project. So we have gone in for a high-end hydropneumatic system, HNS, which is today used in all 7-star hotels. That's what we have done here. And that system is right here. So these are the ways in which we think about it. Every bit of what we have created is with a lot of thought being applied. And if this is being done and brought to you, I must also tell you when we started this. We started this right after the first lockdown. That was last year. Coimbatore is a very safe, aspiring place. People want to be very safe. So there was little hesitation in the staff, workmen coming out in full strength to deliver. So we had to say, Sari, oru maasam kalichu aramikalam. And that was in May. June we had to say, oru maasam kalichu aramikalam. In July, we went full steam. From July, and here we are, August. Less than 14 months. That's what the VNCT team is capable of delivering at any cost. That's what we said. We have moved the team from Chennai and Madurai and parked them here. And we said, drive it. Because we have a commitment. And that commitment is to our clients. When we say, this is the villa, it looks great on a brochure. Let's all understand, a brochure is a matter of printing technology. But when you create the brochure as a reality, and if your reality can be a tad better than the brochure, I think then you've scored it. We feel we have responsibly delivered it. That's the way we go forward. And I must say, my team out here as in not just here at VNCT, is an amazing team. So thank you very much for coming here. And I would like to also recognize the presence of one lovely couple, Mrs. Shanmuga Sundari, Mrs. Shanmugam, right? She's here. Mr. Shanmugam is going to be here tomorrow. Mr. Shanmugam booked the villa with us. There's a story behind every client. I'm just sharing one for the sake of time. Mr. Shanmugam books the villa with us, and he says he will get married only when he's got the villa registered in his name. And believe it or not, this is a movie, all right? The villa is ready. He's completed his marriage. And once the marriage is done, both of them get the registration of the property done, and both of them come into the villa and they've cut the first cake in the villa here. That's Mr. Shanmugam here. Wish you folks all the best, right? And we'd like to wish every buyer of us here all the very best for a great living, and would like to thank our bankers for going out of the way in ensuring that the asset is done for the client without going beyond a point of risk, but of course taking whatever calculated risks possible. You all actually convert dreams into realities. That is a very big act and a very big blessing. Every man needs to understand, let me count my blessings. If he's starting to do that, he will never complain. He'll keep only counting the gratitude. Okay, and in that way, you all are actually creating dreams into reality. Thank you very much. Once again, thank you team for your amazing work. Continue with the great work. All right, thank you.